Hi, I'm Ms. Penn again.
And I'm Ms. Burgess.
And we wanted to thank you for being back for another advisory in our continuing saga about compassion. So you guys gave us some fantastic feedback on our survey, and we're really, really grateful for it. Wow, there's some amazingly compassionate things going on out there in our school. One of you told us actually that your table actually got up and moved and sat with someone who was alone after that advisory, and I was so impressed by that. And that is exactly what we're looking for, is more active acts of compassion in our school. Now, we also heard back from some people who felt like they had witnessed things that were not compassionate. So we thought, we're always trying to improve. How could we address those things and maybe all do a little better?
So we decided to ask some of you all, some of our students here, about their experiences. And some of them shared some great things, and some of them shared some instances where compassion may have been lacking a little. So we have compiled some of your classmates, some of your peers and friends to talk to us a little bit about what they have experienced here.
I am Asian. It is not okay to criticize my intellect. It is okay to respect my heritage.
I am a white woman. It is not okay to assume that I will make racial slurs or agree with your racial comments. It is okay to include me in your conversations and your circle of friends, even if we are different.
I am a Mexican. It is not okay to ask if I am legal. It is okay to appreciate my diversity.
I am a black female. It is not okay to negatively label me as angry, loud, and ghetto. It is okay to appreciate me as a strong person who's not afraid to stand out.
I am autistic. It is not okay to use that as an insult. It is okay to ask me about it.
I am a Hispanic girl. It is not okay for you to judge me for who you think I am. It is okay for you to get to know me for who I am.
I am a Middle Eastern. It is not okay to assume my religion. It is okay to ask me about my faith.
I am personally affected by suicide. It is not okay to joke about killing yourself. It is okay to discuss this topic with me.
I am a black girl. It is not okay to touch my hair. It is okay to ask what my favorite hairstyle is.
I am adopted. It is not okay to ask me about my real parents. It is okay to ask me about my family.
I am Asian. It is not okay to assume I am good at math. It is okay to find out what I am good at and ask for help.
I am an immigrant. It is not okay to expect me to completely assimilate to your culture. It is okay to appreciate the differences between us.
I am a victim of bullying. It is not okay to make fun of others because they're different. It is okay to invite them to be your friends.
I am a woman. It is not okay to call me bossy and or aggressive when I take charge. It is okay to respect my leadership.
I am Greek. It is not okay to speculate my ethnicity based on how I look. It is okay to ask me about my culture.
I am Hindu. It is not okay to think I am a Muslim or the same as every other Indian. It is okay to ask me about my devotion.
I am a black woman. It is not okay to stereotype my culture. It is okay to ask me how I do things differently.
I am a Jamaican. It is not okay to assume that I do drugs or sell drugs of any type of matter, but it is okay to ask me about my culture and where I came from.
I am a girl. It is not okay to catcall at me or make comments on my appearance. It is okay to respect my boundaries.
I'm diabetic, and it is not okay to make jokes about my illness, but it is okay to ask questions and learn more about me.
I am a black girl. It is not okay to tell me that speaking out against social injustices is getting old. It is okay to put yourself in my shoes and see why I must continue to do so.
I am a person. It is not okay to judge me before you get to know me. It is okay to get to know me.
We are the Boyd family.
It is not okay to speak carelessly.
It is okay to ask questions.
It is not okay to speak hate.
It is okay to listen.
It is not okay to use words to hurt, disempower, or demean others.
It is okay to speak up for others and yourself.
Because we're more than a school.
We are a family.
Thank you so much to those of you who participated in our sharing of acts of compassion and ways that we can be more compassionate at AAST. Now you and your advisory class and your advisory teacher are going to have a little conversation about what you have watched today and at last advisory. We want to hear some more feedback from you, but we want it to be more of a conversation. That's something that we've kind of sensed has been missing from everything. The conversation, just the ability and the time and space to actually have a conversation about ways that we can show each other that we care, ways that we can learn more about each other, because a big part of this is learning more about each other and how to approach situations when they arise.
Absolutely. We want to have conversations with our faces and have some of that human interaction to have these conversations. So we appreciate your time and your effort that you put into that, and your teachers will let us know what comes of those conversations. And we thank you for your time being here today.
Bye.